Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to solve our first equation. But first, imagine a balanced scale. If both sides are equal, the scale stays balanced. And that's exactly what an equation means. Both sides are equal. For an equation, x plus 5 equals 10. In balanced scale, it would be something like x plus 5 on the left side, 10 on the right side, and these would always be equal, balanced. We want to find the value of x. Right now, x has a plus 5 next to it. Our goal is to get x by itself. How can we remove the value of x? We subtract 5. If we subtract 5 from the left side, we must also subtract 5 from the right side, which means on the left side, plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled, so there is only x. On the right side, 10 minus 5 is 5. Therefore, the value of x is 5. Let's check our answer. If x equals 5, then the original equation becomes 5 plus 5 equals 10. And that's true. So our answer is correct. Let's review. We started with x plus 5 equals 10. To get x by itself, we subtracted x from both sides. X plus 5 minus 5 equals 10 minus 5. After simplifying, we got x equals 5. And that's how we solved this equation.